Hello and welcome back to another video. Today we'll be using Terraform to create a simple AWS infrastructure. This infrastructure will include VPC, public and private subnets, EC2 instances, security groups, route tables, and internet gateway. For those unfamiliar with subnets, they are essentially a range of IPs within your virtual private network. Public subnet is associated with a route table that has a route to internet gateway. This connects the VPC to the internet and other AWS services. Private subnet is a subnet that is also associated with a route table but does not have a route to internet gateway. Instances in the private subnet are backend servers. They do not accept traffic from the internet, hence the private. Within AWS though, you can work around this using their NAT service, NAT, Network Address Translation Service. This subnet or service within it can initiate the connection with public services, but not the other way around. If you'd like a video on that or a project, feel free to let me know. Now let's get started on the Terraform code. First, we need to establish the Terraform provider. In this case, it's going to be AWS source HashiCorp/AWS and version 5. Clarifying the region, I like to use US West 2. Resource will be AWS VPC. The CIDR block or classless inter-domain routing is a IP allocation method. So just quickly save that. Now to start on the main.terraform file. I'm going to be creating the public subnet that includes VPC reference, CIDR block, and name. Before that, just to confirm, nothing is currently up and running within my AWS environment at the moment. Next will be the private subnet. This will also include the same variables, but I'll also slightly change the CIDR block. Following that will be the AWS Internet Gateway, again referencing VPC ID and name. Now the route table, referencing the VPC and specifying the route for the CIDR block and the gateway ID that was just created. Next, creating the route table association. This will include the subnet and the route table that were previously created, as it's those I want to associate it with. Next, the instance web server. Again, please note AMI is specific to the AWS region. The instance will be created in US West 2, so that's what the AMI is going to be specific to, and I'm going to make it a T2 micro. Now the security group, I'll specify it as SSH access as it's what the ports will allow. These will be the two ports 22 and 80 TCP. Finally, the elastic IP that will be assigned to the T2 micro instance I created. Next, I need to Terraform initialize, then Terraform apply as well as approve so the infrastructure configurations take place. As we can see within the console, the EC2 instance is running and it's T2 micro within the US West 2 region as specified within the Terraform file. You can also check the VPC and this is confirmed to be up and running. I will also check the route table is up and running. Now to destroy all the resources that were previously created and approve. Thank you for watching. If there's anything else you would like to see, please let me know.